11th standard exercise 1.3. Find the domain of 1 by 1 minus 2 sin x. Find the domain of 1 by 2 minus sin x. So we have discussed about what is mean by domain. So what is mean by domain? The domain is nothing but denominator term does not exist 0. It is clearly 1 by 0 does not exist. If the denominator term 1 minus 2 sin x not equal to 0, take non-zero value. It is called domain. It is clear that then the denominator term take non-zero value. Take non-zero value in set of what? Real number. Minus infinity to plus infinity, it is r. R is a set of all real number. 1 minus 2 sin x. Take non-zero value in real number. It is called domain. Is clear that? So first we have to find out the zero value of 1 minus 2 sin x. Then after that we have to remove the value in real number. It is called domain of given function. Clear that? First we have to find out the zero value of sin x. Zero value of 1 minus 2 sin x. After that, removing the zero value in real number, then the remaining value is called domain of given function. So this is the solution. First we have the given function 1 minus 2 sin x equal to 0. Therefore, 2 sin x equal to 1. This term goes to right side. 2 sin x equal to 1. Sin x equal to 1 by 2. So what value of sin x equal to 1 by 2? Then the double value is sin 5 by 6 equal to 1 by 2. Sin degree of 30 1 by 2. So replace 1 by 2 equal to sin 5 by 6. So sin x equal to sin 5 by 6. Therefore, sin x equal to, this one is one of the formula for sin theta equal to sin alpha. Is the trigonometric solution for this case. Sin theta equal to sin alpha. This type of equation, the general solution of theta. The general solution of theta equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole over n into alpha. It is called the general solution of theta. Sin theta equal to sin plus this type of trigonometric equation, then the general solution theta equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole over n into alpha, where n belongs to integer. So same this type of equation, sin x equal to sin x. This one is sin theta, this one is alpha. Therefore, x equal to, using this general solution, x equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha. Alpha is nothing but 5 by 6. This one is the general solution of sin x. Some denominator term equal to 0. Therefore, it is not a domain. This one is solution of 1 minus 2 sin x. So after that, the domain of given function f of x. The domain of f of x is removing the solution 0 value in real number. So r minus, removing r minus n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into 5 by 6. It is called the domain of required function, the given function. It is called the domain of required function. This is the general solution of trigonometric equation. You see the volume 1 lesson, volume 1, page number 127. We see the result. Is clear that problem number 6 is completed. Problem number 7. Find the largest possible domain of real valued function. Real valued function f of x equal to square root of 4 minus x square by square root of x square minus 9. So the largest possible domain is meaning that every real line, if you take a real line minus infinity to plus infinity, obtaining any value to f of x, then the f of x attains cannot be attains infinity and negative root. Infinity and negative root. It is called largest possible domain of real valued function. Clear that? Minus infinity plus infinity is a real number or real line. If you obtain any value 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 or anything, obtain value for this required f of x or given f of x, then the f of x cannot be attained infinity and root of negative value. Clear that? Cannot be attained infinity and root of negative value. It is called largest possible domain. If the given f of x attain infinity and negative value, it is called removing this value for real line. After that, remaining value is the possible domain of f of x. Clear that? After removing this value, then real number, it is called possible domain of f of x. So this is the solution. First of all, the given required f of x, then f of x equal to square root of 4 minus x square by square root of x square minus 9. We get numerator denominator subtracting equal to 0. 4 minus x square equal to 0. X square equal to 4. X equal to plus or minus 2. Therefore, x takes the value plus or minus 2. Then equating denominator term equal to 0. X square minus 9 equal to 0. X square equal to 9. X equal to plus or minus 3. This one is another value of f of x. So draw the line. Draw the value in number line. Draw the value in number line. The number line, the real number is minus infinity to plus infinity is the real number. Draw the value plus or minus 3. This one is minus 3. This one is plus 3. This one is minus 3 and this one is minus 2. This one is plus 2. This one is plus 3. This infinity. Draw the number line in 4 point. Clear that? Plus or minus 2 and plus or minus 3. Plus or minus 2 and plus or minus 3. If we have to check any number, we have to check any number in minus 3 to minus infinity for this interval. Clear that? If you have to check any number, f of x equal to root of 4 minus x square by square root of x square minus 9. If minus 4, this interval, we have to minus 4, this interval, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, etc. this interval. Then the f of x is times 3 raised by minus 4, f of minus 4 equal to square root of plus of minus 4 whole square by square root of x square minus 4 whole square minus 9. So the numerator term is square root of 4 minus 4 square 16 by some denominator term square root of minus 4 16 minus 9. This one is root of negative 11. It is clear that then the numerator value is negative root. So negative root cannot be exist. For applying any value, then the f of x is f of x is root of negative. So this interval cannot be take any value in f of x. So f of x, this interval not possible. Second one is applying 3 to 2, this interval for any value in f of x. For any value in f of x. 3 to minus 2, this one is minus 2.5. Let us take minus 2.5 for this interval. Minus 2.5. So replace by minus 2.5. F of x equal to square root of 4 minus 2.5 whole square divided by square root of minus 2.5 whole square minus 9. So then the numerator term is square root of 4 minus 2.5 square 6.25 divided by square root of 6.25 minus 9. So this one is negative value, negative for numerator. This also negative value for numerator, denominator. So it is for possible domain, possible value for minus 2.5. This interval cannot be take any value in f of x. So we have to check third one. Third one is we have to check third interval minus 2 to plus 2. So this interval is also not taking value for x. Third interval 2 to 2 between 0. Let us take 0 is the between value for this interval. So applying 0 for f of x. So f of x equal to 0. F of x equal to square root of 4 minus 0 divided by 0 minus 9. Numerator is plus root 4. Denominator is minus root 9. So numerator is positive root. Denominator is negative root. So this is also not possible. So every function square root of negative is not real number. It is complex number. Complex number. This chapter after discuss about 12th standard in complex number. So it is not a real root. So only real root, you have real root is a positive term is the only real root. So this interval not also including for f of x. Again fourth one is 2 to 3. 2 to 3 again 2.5. 2.5 already does not exist for this interval. So it is also not interval. Applying 4, 5, 3, this interval also not in this f of x. So the largest possible domain of real value function is empty set, because minus infinity to plus infinity f of x cannot be take any value in x. So clearly the largest possible domain in f of x is 5. It is not empty set. 5 or empty set. Reason for supplying with every interval some one of the value for f of x, then the f of x cannot be exist infinity and negative roots. It is clear that this one is seventh problem. Problem number 8. Find the range of function 1 by 2 cos x minus 1. Find the range of function 1 by 2 cos x minus 1. So you see the solution. The range of cos x sin x, or the range is a trigonometric function. The range of cos x sin x is cos x. Cos x is from 1 to minus 1, and sin x is from 1 to minus 1. It is called range. It is called range. The range of trigonometric function cos x sin is also trigonometric function, but the range of cos x is -1 to +1 and the sin x is -1 to +1. It is meaning that draw the sin x cos x graph. If you draw the sin x cos x graph, then the sin x cos x lies between 1 to -1. Lies between 1 to -1. Maximum +1 and the minimum -1. Maximum +1, minimum -1. So to attain maximum and the minimum value is plus or -1. It is called range. So sin x and cos x, this range is -1 to +1. So we have to find out 1/2 cos x minus x. The range of 1/2 cos x minus 1. So we see the solution. First one is the range. The range of cos x is cos x is cos x of less than or 1 to less than or -1. It is range of cos x. Here the range of cos x is -1 to +1. If this cos x applying to this given required problem type, so multiple by through times multiple by 2. Multiple by 2 on both sides. So multiple by 2. So -2 less than or 2 into cos x less than or 1 into 2. Multiple by 2 on full term. -1 less than or cos x less than or 1. Again after that this function 2 cos x minus 1 type. So 2 cos x only for appearing 2 cos x, but -1 is not appearing. So applying subtract -1. Subtract -1 on this term. So -2 -1 less than or 2 into cos x minus 1 less than or 2 minus 1. It is meaning that this one is inequality. So -2 minus 1 minus 3 less than or 2 cos x minus 1 less than or 1. It is clear that after that the function is 2 cos x minus 1 is the reciprocal function. So take reciprocal for last term. Take reciprocal for the last term is take reciprocal -1/3. The less than or is equal to greater or. Every number take reciprocal or multiple by minus or divide by minus. Then the inequality changes is less than or to greater or and greater or to less than or. So -1/3 greater or 1/2 cos x minus 1. This less than or always change into greater or 1/1 equal to 1. So 1/1. It is clear that why you have to take reciprocal, because the given f of x is 1/2 cos x. It is 1/2 cos x. So we have to find out only for 2 cos x minus 1. So take reciprocal. This inequality, the -3 is -1/3 less than or is converted to greater or, again less than or 1 converted to greater or. Replace this equation. Another one change by this term. This term change this type 1 less than or 1/2 cos x minus 1 less than or -1/3. It is meaning that reverse order, to write the reverse order for this equation. Less than or 1/1 less than or 1/2 cos x minus 1/3. So draw the number line. Draw the number line, real line, -infinity to +infinity, -1/3. -1/3 means this one is -1/3. This one is 1. Only for to limit for this real line. It is meaning that this one is f of x. F of x greater than 1. F of x 1/2 cos x takes the value greater 1 and the greater 1. So 1 and the greater 1 means f of x takes all value for this interval. F of x takes all value for this interval. This one is greater one. F of x 1 by cos 3x minus 1 takes greater one, all greater one value. It is meaning that f of x takes minus 1 by 3 less than value. So f of x takes minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3 is this. So less than minus 1 by 3 meaning that take all this value. F of x takes all this value. Is clear that this inequality meaning the inequality 1 less than or 1 by 2 cos x less than or minus 1 by 3 meaning that this is 1 by 2 cos x minus 1 is the f of x. This takes the value greater plus 1 less than minus 1 by 3. So greater plus 1 less than minus 1 by 3. Therefore the range of f of x is minus infinity open interval. This is infinity minus infinity open interval 2 comma minus 1 by 3 closed interval, because this inequality is less than or. So closed interval again union closed interval 1 to open interval plus infinity. This one is the range of required function. Range of required function. So first we have to, what is the range of cos function? Minus 1 to plus 1. So convert to this cos x goes to required term. So multiply by 2 and subtract by 1. After that we have to take reciprocal f of x is for this type. Is clear that range of function. 8th problem completed. 9th problem, show the relation xy equal to minus 2. Xy equal to minus 2 is a function for a suitable domain. Find the domain and the range of function. So we have to find out domain and the range of this required function. Domain and range of this required function. So we see the solution. First one is, let us take the given problem for x equal to minus 2. X equal to minus 2. It changes to y equal to minus 2 by x. Y equal to minus 2 by x. This y is sometimes denoted by f of x minus 2 by x. It is also same value. Y equal to minus 2 by x. Or write to f of x equal to minus 2 by x. It is clear that y and f of x are same value. Y equal to f of x, both are same meaning, but notation different, but meaning are same. So this function, this one is a function. Then the denominator term x. Then the denominator term x is a domain of function. And f of x meaning that y is a range of function. Clear that x is a domain of required function, y is a range of required function. So we have to find out what value of x and y. Now we have to find out what value of x and y. So the value of x is domain of function, the value of y is range of function. So basic definition for domain is every function x does not exist in infinity. So x, if you the real number is a real number minus infinity to plus infinity, let us take any value minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. Take any value, then f of x exists. But take to 0. It's applying 0, then the f of x equal to minus 2 by 0. Therefore, f of x equal to anything by 0 is not infinity. So x not equal to 0. X not equal to 0. Therefore, the domain of f of x is the domain of f of x is removing for 0 in real number, or R is a real line. Minus infinity to plus infinity. R is a real line. Remove only value for 0. It is called domain. Clear that? So removing only for 0 in real number is called domain of this function. Again we have to find out range. So cross multiply. Take this function y equal to minus 2 by x. Therefore x equal to minus 2 by y. X equal to minus 2 by y. It is range. X value is domain, y value is range. So for replacing real number in minus infinity to plus infinity for all value in y, then x cannot attain infinity. So replace for 0, x equal to minus 2 by 0, x equal to infinity. X meaning that f of y. F of y is minus 2 by y. X is meaning that f of y. F of y equals to infinity. So y does not take the value in 0. Other value we have to take in y. So therefore remove in real number only for 0. The range of f of x is set up on real number removing 0 is the problem. So first one is domain. Domain of f of x is r minus 0 and the range of f of x is also r minus 0 because the value of x is domain value, y is range value. Clear that? 9th problem is completed. Remaining problem or assignment problem.